In the last video, we showed you how to start a mission, and now we've come into this mission and we've arrived at a point where input is needed. So you'll notice the stuck icon here that input is needed, and we can go back through the thread to understand kind of what it's looking for. So it's asking us specifically for the following items. It's finished phase 0, it's now in phase 1, and our phase 1 requests the following information. So we need to know if there's all of this information available to us. In this case, we've put it together in a simple guide that we'll look at in another future step. We'll be able to see that. The agent will show that to us, but we're just gonna have it use that document, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit send, and that's going to send Eve that information, including the file that we've given it. We can see already in the document flow that it's built a few things before it had any requirements given. So it starts from scratch with the blueprint and then gets to the point where it needs requirements. It then pauses the mission, and then as we provide those requirements, it goes off and continues the mission and starts building up additional pieces. And we can actually see here, it has imported the file that we sent. And so this is a version of the text that we sent. It very simply lists out the files that we want to load and where they come from, and then gives some guidelines for the silver layer and the gold layer. And that's really all we need, along with the blueprint, to provide the tools that Eve needs to go ahead and map out how this data would be loaded into Snowflake.